You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two names for a different thing. We're gonna look at how different they are and what each of them is. French pronunciation: Monaco, and Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo is a suburb of Monaco. So Monaco is the whole city, let's call it the area. Monte Carlo is a specific area around the casino. So Monaco in English and Monte Carlo is how you pronounce them. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.